cut the heads open.
All right, tree lovers, here we go. Here is a triple trunk ribbon palm. It's about to come off the truck. We've got a 30-ton crane picking it up. Look at that beautiful thing. This is how you do it. You also cross your fingers and your toes, and you genuflect and you pray and call your friends and have them praying, because this is not something that you want to go wrong. At any point, one mistake can wreck your day. So check this out. We've got this picked up in such a way that it's standing upright. Check that out. This is a triple trunk ribbon palm. I'm going to say it weighs maybe only 8,500 pounds, maybe a little more. The trunks are about 12 to 14 feet. Add 8 feet to that to get the total height of the tree, and you're at about a 22-foot tree, 20, 22, maybe 23. And all that is a little bit of guesswork, but we're pretty good at this. We kind of know what we're doing. Triple trunk ribbon palm, one of my favorite palms in the entire world. These are magnificent. We're at Southeastern University in Lakeland, right in the middle of the state, right between Tampa and Orlando. We just pulled a big dead Canary Island date palm. There it is, over there. We pulled it out of the spot that this triple ribbon is going in. So let me give you a quick bird's eye view of Southeastern University. Palm trees everywhere. A beautiful, beautiful small college. They have done an amazing job with their building program. They have a football team, that's their stadium right over there. They have a baseball team also, collegiate, of course. We've done work on this campus for 50 years. So we'll be back in a minute to show you what the tree looks like when it's going in the hole.